Hi everybody, welcome back, and today I've got a really exciting unboxing and it comes in a big black Chanel bag. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. So I think I'm just gonna get straight into the unboxing because that's why you clicked on the video. I'm not gonna chatter too much. Let's just show you what I got first and then we'll talk about it, right? Right, so it came in a super humongous bag. I was telling my essay, I was like, do you have a smaller bag? She's like, no, the box is too big. I'm like, okay. Alright, so this is the packaging. Oh my goodness. Since I got it, I have not opened it. So this is a real unboxing. I need to check it actually before I hit the 14-day return policy and just to check it and all that. Oh my gosh. Yes! Yes! Okay, let's do this. Prop it up on my foot. Black paper. Ah. Okay. I haven't done one of these like real original unboxings for a long time. Down. All black paper. Bag's outside. Obviously it's a bag. It's there. What do you have inside? Oh, okay, there's an additional cloth. Yep. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is like the new dust bags that they have. Oh shit. She wrapped it so well. Probably know what it is already, right? Oh my gosh. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let's do this. Hurry up, cat! Just hurry up! Rip it! Oh! Oh my gosh, if you've been following me for a long time, I cannot imagine how excited I am. Revealing or unboxing my Chanel Urban Spirit backpack. Ah! This is actually the medium size. She calls it large. But I've seen the large on Jerusha Couture's video, and her large is large. Like this is a size smaller, but this is not the mini. So small, medium, I don't know. Anyway, I'll let you know how I figured it out. So yeah, let's take that all away. Look at that. Oh. So let me just. I don't know what to do. I have been wanting this for the longest time, okay? And let's put that there. My throat's dry. Okay, so, alright, this is the bag. This is the Urban Spirit backpack. My essay calls it large, but to me it's the medium and it's the black with gold hardware, and this is actually in lambskin. Oh! Okay, I'm not gonna take out the sticker yet because I want to really inspect it, which I'll do after this. But oh my goodness, it is makeup. It is so gorgeous. So let me just tell you guys that I'm actually filming this in February, and I will tell you in my monthly confessions. I'll probably put a clip to say that I actually bought this in February and I'm only going to upload this in March. So I'm being truthful here. I kind of failed in February, but that's because when I watched Jerusha Couture's her vlog, and she saw the bag in Australia, and I was like, oh no! It's available early in the year. I was hoping to go to Australia in March. I am going to Australia in March. And I was actually hoping to get the bag here because I know it came out. I know when I looked at the Chanel app, I knew that the bag came out. So I was really hoping that Australia would get it a little bit later. So when she saw the big one, she saw the large size. So yeah, I'll come to that, right? So the large size, and she saw the smaller size. It wasn't the two sizes that I wanted, but I was thinking, oh no, if it's already out in Australia, most likely it will not be there already. So I went to the Chanel store, not really thinking that they might have it. I just went randomly one day. And I walked in and I asked my SA, I was like, hey, do you have it, you know, the bigger one, like not large? Like, can you just show me? Because she thinks this is large, right? She called this large. I was like, oh, I don't really want large. Can you show me the small? So when she showed me the small, I was a bit like, oh, that's really small. So how I knew is, if you count the quilts, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the small has only 5 quilts. Then if you look at the large, I'll put a picture here. The large has 8 quilts, if I'm not mistaken. I'll just put a picture and you can see. If you count it across, that's the large. And this size, which is in between the two, it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it has half a quilt each size. So that kind of makes it a 6 quilt. So that's how I knew that this is the medium size. I really don't know. I just look at the quilt numbering to know the size. And so that's how I found out that this is the size that I wanted. When she brought it out, she said, oh, this is large. I was like, is this the large? No, the large that I saw with Jerusha was so much bigger. So I was like, maybe that hasn't come to Singapore. I was like, oh my god, it's here. Staring at me in the store. I was like, okay, I'm sure you don't have a new one. Do you have a new one? And she brings out this piece. And I was like, oh my gosh, I can't. I had to do it. I had to do it because this is one of the items on my 5 things that I want to buy that doesn't really apply to my no shopping rule, but I was really hoping that it would pop in March or December, which is what I said. I said I want to do only 2 hauls. So yeah, it's here. It's finally here. So I'm really excited, and I really wanted it in lambskin. I know lambskin is pretty hard to take care of. It's, you know, it's more delicate, and being a backpack, it's gonna fit more things. It's gonna be, you know, it's gonna be used a lot more. So I'm quite sure that this bag would not, I mean, over time it's gonna be a bit softer. So my essay did tell me to keep the bag stuffed all the time. So let me just open it. Oh gosh, okay. I have been wanting this bag for the longest time. If you've been following me for a while, you know, it's been on my wish list for about maybe 2 years, yeah? Since I've been on YouTube, 3 years. So every time I keep talking about it, and then I never get it because either it comes out in the chevron, which actually I almost got it once, but I really wanted it in the quilts, and I almost got it in silver as well, but I think I think the silver was in calfskin, and there's something just so, oh my gosh, if you can just see how amazingly luxurious the lambskin is. Oh man, you gotta go lambskin, you can't go back, okay? You can't go back. Okay, so let me open it. Let's see. So it says here, Chanel made in Italy. It's all black inside. There's one zip. There's only a zip compartment, and that's my authenticity card. So this is actually the 19P. So it's a pre-cruise. So it's the 273. Then yeah, there's just nothing. You know, I mean, there's so many reviews about this bag. Just a big bag hole, and then. Okay, I think I'm gonna keep this here first. I don't know what to do. So since I got it earlier than I was hoping to get it in Australia, since I got it earlier, I'm going to use it while I'm on my trip. Cause yeah, she wrapped it so beautifully. Okay, so Give me a second. Let me just. All right. Let me do it. Let me take it out. So it's really smooth to pull this in. It's not like really difficult. And then just clip it over. I'm keeping the sticker on first, okay? Put it in. Carry it like this. Okay, let me just show you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's wear it. I am beyond happy. This is like the day I got. The feeling is even more exciting compared to the day I got my bum bag. Like the bum bag was something that was like really unexpected because of what happened, and then this is also another unexpected one because I knew I wanted to get it this year and I had a feeling it was going to come back this year, and I was hoping to hit it in March. But walking in the store, I literally went after work. I went after work with my backpack and my other handbag and my shoe bag, and I was like, yeah, I just wanted to check it out. Maybe there are other colors and all of that. And I swear, I never expected to walk out with this bag. I was so shocked, and when I walked out, I was feeling a little bit guilty because I was saying I was supposed to do it in March, but I knew there was no way I could get it in March. So this is the early haul, I guess. It's the early haul, and I am, oh my gosh, I am so excited. So I'm gonna check the bag now just to make sure that everything's okay, and I really hope so because you're my dream bag, you're my wish list bag for the longest time, and I am so excited to have it. So anyway, this is my really quick unboxing. Oh yeah, I need to tell you the price, right? Because a lot of people have been asking me in my other videos like, what's the price? And if you're here for luxury, you know they're not cheap. So I might as well tell you. So I bought this at the Chanel Ngee City outlet, and I paid 5,840 Singapore dollars for this size. So I think, oh, I saw it on the app as well. I'll put the two pictures here and you can see the prices. So the mini is slightly cheaper, and then different materials were also different prices. And they had a lot of colors this season, so if you are looking for the backpack, I don't know, by the time I post this in March, I really hope that there will still be some, because when I went in, I wanted to also look at the grey. They look a little bit beige, but they call it grey, kind of like an taupe color. No, not really taupe, maybe like a grease alpha kind of color. And they didn't have it in store yet, they didn't come in yet. So maybe they are slowly trickling in, or maybe it will come in March. But this black came in so early, so I did it. I'm guilty, but I'm so happy. Ah, look at it. Let me show you one more time. Beautiful. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, this birthday early haul for me. And yeah, I achieved one of my wish list items. I am super happy. I will definitely be using this bag very often. It's like a little handbag, it's a backpack for my traveling, and yeah, I will definitely do a review. There are many reviews about this bag already, but I will definitely give you my review in terms of the leather, the wear, the wear and tear, what I can fit in it, and how I actually feel about the bag as I wear it. I would definitely be very honest, because this bag is not cheap. So if you guys are thinking about investing in it in the future, yeah, do wait for my video. I definitely share all the pros and cons about this bag. So yeah, I'm speechless, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Till my next video, you guys take care, and I'll see you then.